feeling overwhelmed this morning? Stay with me, stretch with me. Let's be here.
Let's do it. Start standing tall on top of your mat, 1 foot back and move into warrior two. Keep your shoulders relaxed and gaze softly forward. Now gently straighten your front leg, reach forward slowly and lower your hand down into triangle pose. Extend one arm up toward the sky, rest the other hand gently beside your leg. Try the other side, come back to warrior two. Let's start this week with a soft reset. Now goes into triangle pose again. Extend one arm up toward the sky and rest the other hand beside your leg. Open your chest softly and breathe deeply in triangle pose. Slowly bend your front knee and transition to standing lunge. Step 1 foot forward and bend your front knee. Keep your back leg long and strong behind you. Ground firmly through both feet. Lift your chest and relax your shoulders and breathe. Sink your hips back gently and move into chair pose. Keep your knees softly bent and your weight grounded through your heels. Stay low in your chair pose and bring your palms together at your chest and hold the twist here for a deep breath. Now, gently release one hand down toward the floor while extending the opposite arm up toward the sky. Come back to chair pose again and twist. Take a deep, steady breath here. Gently release one hand down and extending the opposite arm up toward the sky. Keep your chest open, spine long, and breathe deeply. Now come into tabletop and do the cat-cow. Round your back. Inhale as you drop your belly. Exhale. Keep going. Going to downward facing dog and slowly shift your body forward into a strong plank pose. Keep your shoulders over your wrist and engage your core. Draw one knee and toward your chest while extending the opposite leg long behind you. Now the other side. And now come to tabletop and extend your right leg behind you and press gently through your toes. Keep your spine steady and core engaged. Slowly lower your right leg and extend your left leg back. Move with control and breathe deeply through each side. Slowly lower both knees to the mat and gently sink your hips back into child pose. Allow your body to soften here. Relax your shoulders, release any tension, and take a slow, deep breath. Just breathe. And when you're ready, slowly rise to a comfortable seated position. And keep going with your breathing. Gonna close the right nostril and breathe with left side. Hold it, chin to chest. And release it from the left side. Let's do it 2 more times. Breathe with left side. Breathe in, breathe out with the left side too. It makes your body calm, safe, and bring you a nice sleep. And relax your body. Take one final deep breath in and exhale softly.